Now that we got the Altera package file for the Max 10 part, we're going to start building it. So what we're going to do from the startup, we're going to create a new part, and let's choose a directory so we'll do it right in the CAD Enhance working directory. The new part name will be 10M08 SC 384. And when we hit create new, it's going to create a folder called 10M08S384 underneath this directory for us, and it'll set the part name to 10M08S384. So let's create the new, and it asks us where do we want to save it. We want to save it in SimGen Control, and you can see it's in CAD Enhance work directory 10M08S384. We'll save that, and then we say we're done. So the next step we have is we're going to set the go from spreadsheet, we'll go to Altera Physical, because we're going to build the FPGA based on the physical flow where we lay out symbols based on the I/O banks. The next thing we do is pick a pin report file. So we're going to browse, and we're going to go back to the downloads directory and find the package file we just got. So the 10M08SC.txt, we're going to open that. This says the selected pin report is not in the local part folder. Would you like to make a local copy? And we say yes. So now what we're ready to do is read the pin report. And when we first read it, it's going to complain to us. There's an error detected, and it's going to say no Altera family specified in the control file. Use the More Part Config Settings menu to find the appropriate family and Altera package device in the pinout report. And that's because, like we described earlier, we have to pick the U384 package. So to do that, we go to the More Pin Report Settings, and we see that the Altera package here is selected as E144. PartBuilder read the package file, and it looked in there and it found these 4 devices, and we want to select the U324. So once we do that, we can save our config settings and close this, and then we'll read the pin report again. And now it says it found 324 pin ports in the selected pinout report. Would you like to set the pin fields to correspond? And we'll say yes. So now it's read the pin report, and it has them all in data. And if we wanted, we can go look and explore the pins, and we can see that we got all the I/O names from the report, and the pin numbers. And here's your pin number. This is going to be the pin text. This is your the type. So when PartBuilder reads this, it's an FPGA file. It's very kind of intelligent. It knows what's going on inside the package file, and it builds it and sorts it for us in a very smart way. So you can see that it found L1. It broke the symbols up by the names. So there's L1, L2. It sorted it, and this is the order that these pins appear in the bank. So in bank 1A, there's all these pins. Then bank 1B starts. And so PartBuilder sorted it by that.